A sleek, modern kitchen showcases a monochromatic color scheme. The gray island contrasts with glossy white cabinets, while vibrant fruit bowls add refreshing, necessary pops of color. Minimalist design shines here with sleek white cabinetry and glossy floors. 3 pendant lights hang above the island, where fresh oranges add warmth to the bright aesthetic. Soft ambient lighting enhances this clean aesthetic. The smooth white countertop features a black induction cooktop, while stainless steel appliances complement the modern, minimalist cabinetry design. A striking turquoise tile backsplash defines this space. Glossy white cabinets pair with a central island, while green bowls and pendant lights create a bright, cohesive look. Glossy white cabinets with chrome handles contrast beautifully against the dark, polished floor. White subway tiles and recessed lighting create a bright, inviting atmosphere for cooking. Glossy black cabinetry with white accents creates a bold, modern look. Beige backsplash tiles warm the space, while yellow lemons on the island add a cheerful touch. This L-shaped layout features beige cabinets with silver handles. A smooth, light gray backsplash complements the white countertops, while recessed lights illuminate the clean, contemporary design style. This sleek kitchen connects seamlessly to the living area. Glossy white cabinets and light gray countertops frame the space, while a coffee machine adds a functional touch. Natural light floods this space through a large window. Glossy beige cabinetry with black handles pairs with a central island, illuminating the polished white tile flooring. Soft, warm lighting highlights this central island, featuring a stainless steel gas stove. Glossy beige cabinets and a built-in double oven create a functional, sophisticated environment. A U-shaped layout combines glossy brown and white cabinetry efficiently. Fresh fruits and a wooden cutting board add organic warmth to the crisp, white, recessed lighting design. White marble countertops and a light wood floor define this elegant space. Glossy white and matte black cabinets provide storage, while a blue kettle adds color. Dark wood cabinetry creates a rich atmosphere, illuminated by unique ceiling string lights. A rectangular wooden island with black legs anchors the modern, welcoming kitchen space. An ornate mirror adds unique character to this modern design. Glossy black cabinets with silver handles contrast against the white marble island and bright under-cabinet lighting. Industrial-style pendant lights hang above a white central island. Glossy black cabinetry surrounds the space, while green apples and plants add nature to the monochrome palette.